Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you can turn this off pretty easily if you're already logged into the account. To do that, we're going to go up to the upper right-hand corner and click on our profile and go to Manage our Google account. If you're not logged in, you're not going to really have the option to turn it off. You're going to have to go through one of the steps to get locked into your account. Now, on the left-hand side, we're going to find Security. When we click on Security, you can scroll down a little, and down here at the bottom, you see how to sign in to Google. And there's two-step verification turned on. This is what you would click to go to the two-step page. More than likely, you're going to have to go through a little security measure to turn this off. And from here, there's a button that says Turn Off Two-Step Verification. But if we click on this, it's going to pop up and just let us turn it off. It might pop up and make you log into the account again, or confirm that you can log in and know the password, but we can just click Turn Off right there, and now two-step verification is officially turned off. And so that's a pretty quick and easy way to turn off two-step verification in Gmail. And that's it. So that's basically how you can turn off two-step verification in Gmail. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.